Nature is not a place to visit, it's our home. Nature is all that we see. Animals, insects, disappearing into their surroundings, using deceptions, disguises, lures. Nature is all that we hear. The call of an eagle, the hiss of ocean spray, the rumble of thunder, the doings of a cricket. The wonderful beauty of nature, the crucial, fragile affinity between animal life and their environment. All of this is World of the Wild. The Amazon. Spread over 9 countries and 5.5 million square kilometers. This is the world's largest rainforest and one of the most biodiverse places on the planet. Teeming with life, much of which is still unknown to science, this episode examines some of the Amazon's most iconic inhabitants. The colossal anaconda, the easygoing sloth, the cold-blooded caiman, the hair-raising tarantula, and the mysterious Amazon River dolphin. In a place filled with legends, none have gripped the human imagination quite like the anaconda. With a stranglehold over the twisting morass of swamps, marshes and streams that comprise the Amazonian wetlands, the anaconda family consists of 5 species, among them the largest snake in the world. While the gargantuan proportions of the green anaconda are subject to wild speculation, what is certain is that all anacondas are perfectly adapted to the waterways of their rainforest home. Relatively slow and cumbersome on the land, the anaconda utilizes the murky river system to travel effortlessly and to hunt with ruthless efficiency. Able to remain submerged for over 10 minutes, they are expert hunters of the fish, turtles and caiman that inhabit the abundant waters of the Amazon. But that's not all. The entire jungle ecosystem is dependent on its waterways, and here, the waterways give the anaconda license to rule. High-set eyes and nostrils allow it to remain almost entirely hidden in the water while laying in wait for the land-based prey. Anacondas will eat anything they can overpower, and for a snake this big, few in the Amazon are safe. Like all reptiles, anacondas are ectothermic, obtaining their body heat from their environment. The Amazon rainforest's year-round average temperature of 27 degrees Celsius makes this paradise for big snakes. Beneath the thick jungle canopy of the Amazon, darkness comes quickly. But the anaconda has adapted to hunt without light. Specialized sense organs around the lips detect body heat. The flickering forked tongue takes chemical cues from the air, and sensitive skin detects sounds and vibrations on land and in water.